In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis and symbols to Discord channel names. This is a great way to make your server look more organized, unique, and visually appealing. To get started, open the Discord app on your computer, phone, or tablet. Once Discord has loaded, open the server that contains the channel you want to customize. Before continuing, make sure you have permission to edit channels. You must be the server owner or have a role with the Manage Channels permission enabled. If you don't have this permission, you won't be able to rename channels. Next, locate the channel you want to edit. On desktop, right-click the channel name. On mobile, tap and hold the channel name. From the menu that appears, select Edit Channel. This will open the channel settings page. Now click inside the channel name field. To add an emoji, open your device's emoji keyboard. On Windows, you can press Windows key plus period. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus space. Choose any emoji you want and place it at the beginning or end of the channel name. You can also add special symbols and decorative characters to make the channel stand out even more. Simply copy the symbols you want and paste them into the channel name field. Once you're happy with the new channel name, click Save Changes. Your updated channel name will appear instantly across the server. And that's how to add emojis and symbols to Discord channel names. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Discord tutorials and tips.